lalo yung wedge lalapad, ano. So, but it's our call. Kasi kailangan justify niya rin. Pero sa akin, I don't think it's still necessary. Kasi what for? Dahil binigyan ka ng tungkulin o katungkulan na gagampanan mo, ngayong natanggal ka, isisiwalat mo yung mga natuklasan mo na depende kung ano yung sisiwalat niya. Pero if it is to destroy yung o kaya ma-impede yung anti-illegal drugs, yung campaign, huwag naman sana. Pero kung ang natuklasan niya for the improvement, para ma-enhance yung fight against illegal drugs, then by all means. Pero kung may nakita siya mga pagkakamali, that would point to several persons that could be held liable, even criminally liable, dapat noong nasa position siya.